Good morning, students. Today, in this science video class, we are going to learn about some of our sense organs, and these are nose, tongue, and skin. Nose. The sense of smells lets us catch smells from different substances. It's the organ nose that helps us to smell and breathe. It is also the gateway to the respiratory system, which is responsible for breathing. The external openings of the nose are called nostrils. Nostrils are the two holes in the nose. They allow air to flow towards the lungs and smells to flow towards the nerves. Smells travel through air and enter through nostrils and arrive to nasal cavity. Nasal cavity is a path that connects with the back of our throat. When we inhale through our nostrils, the air enters to the nasal passages and flows into the nasal cavity. Each nasal cavity contains specialized cells that are sensitive to smell. These cells produce nerve signals that are passed to the brain. This enables the brain to identify the smell. Nasal cavity also contains hair and mucus. Mucus traps the dirt, germs, and dust particles and prevent them going into our lungs. Substances smells good or bad, pleasant or unpleasant, soft or strong, and you will amazed to know that human detects out of 10,000 different smells. Tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ that helps us taste food or feel its texture. It also helps us pronounce words while we talk. Our tongue has touch sensor help us feel food. With all the talking, mixing food, swallowing, tasting, and germ fighting, our tongue never gets a rest. Even we are sleeping, our tongue is busy pushing saliva into our throat to be swallowed. The surface of the tongue has many taste buds. Each taste bud has 50 to 100 taste receptors cells which responds to different molecules present in our food. These amazing taste buds can detect 5 different flavors: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Here is a taste map of a tongue. The tip of tongue is responsible for sensing sweet and salty tastes. The side of the tongue detects sour taste, while the back of the tongue usually senses bitter taste. The middle of the tongue is responsible for umami taste. As soon as we take a bite of food, all its sensory information is quickly sorted out by the 10,000 of taste buds covering our tongue, mouth, and upper throat. These taste buds send signals to the brain with the help of nerves that are connected to the taste buds. This enables the brain to identify the taste. So it must be kept clean. So when you brush your teeth, you must also clean the tongue with a tongue cleaner. Skin. The skin is the largest organ of the body. It covers the entire body. It protects the internal organs. The skin allows us to feel. Under the surface of skin, there are numerous nerves connected to the brain and spinal cord. These nerves are sensitive to heat, cold, pressure, and pain. They gather information and send it to the brain. This enables the brain to understand when something comes into the contact with the skin. The skin also regulates the body temperature by producing sweat. Taking care of the skin. Skin should be kept dry and clean to prevent infections. Dry your skin by rubbing gently with a towel. Use a mild soap to bathe. This removes dirt and sweat from our body. Take extra care of the skin around your toes. A sunscreen can be used while going out in the sun. Consult a doctor in case of a skin injury, burn, or infection.